This the kind of room. This the kind of room you gotta have when you come to Jamaica.
Situation will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebration with the guy I sacrificed. I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile,
Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching. This is our last day here at the Royalton Blue Waters. Here's a small recap of the resort that you can take a look at.
Daybreak, Waylay.
We'll be moving right along to the next resort. Stay tuned. It's a beautiful resort, very picturesque. You can go around the resort and you really can't miss with the photo ops. But anyhow, we decided to go out for dinner that night.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around.
As you can see, for our last night, we decided to dine at the Hunter's Steakhouse. The food wasn't that bad, actually. It was still resort food, but it wasn't bad. It was pretty good. I believe I had the salmon and I had the chicken. And my lady, she had the pasta. If you decide to stay at the Royalton White Sands, yeah, this is a good dining option.
On our way to the Grand Palladium in about an hour. We got a beachside panoramic ocean view room. So we completed the first 5 days of my birthday trip. We're gonna go to another resort for the next 5 days. Y'all stay tuned.
On the morning of our last day, we realized we never even saw the Royalton Blue Water side. So we decided to walk over there, guys, and we're taking you guys with us. So here's a quick peek at the Royalton Blue Water side. It's pretty nice, very modern. It's real nice. Have a look. So if you decide to come there, keep in mind, this is the family-oriented side. The other side is adults.
Lobster, come to Peppers. Tell your driver. They know. They might not know what Fireman Lobster is. You gotta do some research.
But
It's
it is
on 7 Mile Beach. Yeah, you gotta find it. But
you get to 7 Mile Beach, they'll find you. Believe me.
yeah, it's a lot of. It's by the boardwalk in 7 Mile. If they know what a boardwalk is, it's by the boardwalk sign. So if your driver know where the boardwalk sign is, Fireman Lobster is like right to the left of the boardwalk sign. You just pull in there, and then it's safe. Don't worry. Go back there, park. Go back there. Fireman Lobster right there. You pull the lobster. He got a cage sitting out in the water. You pull it in for you, and you pick your lobster.
Your lobster or your crab.
Lobster or crab, and negotiate fiercely for your lobster or your crab. They love American money, but you just gotta negotiate the price.
Yeah. Well, the last year when we went, they had set prices. It was like $35 to like $45. The year before that, we had to definitely negotiate our prices.
Yeah. So you might have to negotiate, you might not. So keep that in mind. In honor of our fellow YouTubers, Derek and Cheryl, we out here in Jamaica. Thanks to y'all years ago watching your vlogs. In honor of them, we're gonna do the two teams. Ting.
On our way to Grand Palladium.
On our way to Grand Palladium on top of that. It's Don Julio. Smooth. Smooth, baby. Ooh. That's right.
Ooh, put some hair on your chest, lady.
I'm trying to, hey. She gonna learn.
I'll never learn. It's more fun off the porch.
I'm gonna try this out. See what it tastes like. Oops, like a fajita.
So far, I'm satisfied.
Avocado. A bunch of other stuff that I don't eat. You see that? Ain't bad. Whatever that red sauce is, it's really good, really good. Y'all see it? You see that?
Peppers did not disappoint.
At all. Gotta come to Peppers when you're in Jamaica. It's in Montego Bay. And we sat outside. See, take a look. Sat about it. Well, it's all outside, but you get a view of the planes coming in over there, because it's right by the airport. You get a view of the planes flying in. I'll try to give you guys a shot of the plane when it comes in. Can you show us around? Since you're here at the
our-
Grand Palladium.
This is our beachside ocean view panoramic room at the Grand Palladium.
The oohs and ahs.
The oohs and ahs is gorgeous.
The big TV.
Okay, so first up, is our ocean view.
Daybreak, Waylay.
Oh yeah.
This the kind of room you gotta have when you come to Jamaica.
Yeah. She see it. What else you got?
Then we go to, they gave us a fruit plate. Nice little room.
Yeah.
So this is the living room area. We got our closet, of course. You got your iron
You
board.
seen one, you seen them.
You seen one, you seen them all. You got your safe. Then we walk into our beautiful bathroom. Got a jacuzzi tub.
What?
Gorgeous. This toilet water hole, as they call it.
Yeah.
And the shower.
What will we used? This is where the magic happens. Look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful. And this is our second balcony.
Hey. That's where more magic happens. Look at that. You hear what?
Tree frogs and the Jamaican crickets over here.
They just wanna fuck with you. 'Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end?
Yo, we about to get some lunch, dinner, breakfast right here.
Man.
Hey,
That's the one y'all getting?